Hello friends, I'm going to show the correct way the crimper connection cable with extender B. You need a crimper, 2RJ45 UTP cable, a network tester. Crimp splice the cable with two R45 connects and with these two elements a network cable is created. Since it is to use the computer network or computer or electric system to connect one electric device to another. There is difference between in the V. V space 2 and the 3 orange whites in the green white are a swap. Step 1. You must strip the cable, separate the cable and strip them. The crimper will have the which UTP cable. The strip with the careful strike the 30 cm. One will have the bias in the tire. We can very tight the R twist to B2. Have to unbraid them and strip them as much as possible. Avoid screw or angles. The straighter they are, the better. Step 2. Solder the wires in the cable wanted to connect on the PC and the router. We will use the direct cable expansion. It will water make a crossover cable. It was the bit something on following the order for the other specification. It is important the cable are with orders shoot later. There is no lots of data or there is no connection between the bytes. Step 3. We must cut our base and the careful insert into the R45 plug. First, we must cut the excess part the cables. It is important the keeps the length of I let them so that later they enter and connect we insert the plug. We have the computer and insert a pairs in the switch at the white tile pin 1. The orange one is on the LED completely. They will look at the computer with the tile down. Before introducing them to the button with the grade icon that the order is correct. We must check that the cable rests the end of the connector and the tie in the plastic. They covers the pairs with a case right in kind of internal that there is fixed so that it does not come loose later. Step 4. Fix with the crimper. If everything is the correct, we insert the RV45 plug into the hole in the crimper and tie a mother lid. Step 5. Repeat with the other and with the toaster, check its functionality. The process with the repeat with the other and the cable check the cable works. It is not the case. You might have made mistake when ordering the cables. The color is purple spice does not reach the area connect. It's okay. You can always cut off the bad head and the three eye guys. Thank you very much.